Oh, it does. Okay. The bigger the tail of a male peacock, the more attractive the bird is to females. Okay. I I guess it makes sense, but still, seriously, I don't know.
Having a little trouble?
Who was that?
It doesn't matter who it is. I'm here to help you with your science problems. I heard you were having difficulty understanding sexual selection.
You think? I just sat here for like a minute or two, and I have no idea what it means. What does it mean?
It means something a little like this.
What? What is this?
This is what female birds would be attracted to if you were a bird.
This doesn't make sense. I look like a freaking punk rock dude.
Well, female birds liked this. So over time, male birds with any feature like this were selected as mates and their genes were passed on. More extremes and more extremes until you end up with something like this mohawk.
And that's called...
Sexual selection.
Okay. That makes sense.
Now I'd like to introduce you to someone who might be able to help you a little better than I can.
What happened to my mohawk?
It doesn't matter. So, have you ever heard of this man called Charles Darwin?
Oh, yeah, he's the one who theorized about the evolution.
The evolution. Yes. Are you ready to meet him?
Yes.
Hey, Darwin.
Yes, Jesus?
For the last time, I'm not Jesus.
Oh, my bad.
Anyways, are you ready for the visitor yet?
Sure.
Alright, I'll pop him in.
Where am I?
You're scared of finches.
What finches?
Over there, look.
Oh, I see him.
That's because they're each from different islands. So they've evolved differently and adapted to the resources that
Because the
they've
different
had.
Okay, because they have different food resources. If one resource is eliminated, does that bird just die off?
No. Technically, the trait that they had died off, and then the one that was successful gets more exaggerated over time.
Oh, okay.
Oh, look, it's hungry! Let's go to the
Maybe it's time to get out of here, Dylan.
I think so!
Why, hello there, good sir.
What? Where am I?
You, my good friend, are in my lab. I am Godfrey Hardy, a mathematician from England. And my name is Wilhelm Weinberg, a German physicist. Pleased to meet you here in my lab.
Why am I here? What is this? First Darwin, and now...
Darwin? I'm quite the admirer of his work. In fact, Dr. Hardy and I have developed a formula to better define when evolution does and does not occur in a species. And we did it mathematically so the formula could be used to test evolution for generations. I believe he called it the Hardy-Weinberg principle? No, it's probably the Weinberg-Hardy principle.
Well, I think I heard that in class before. Yeah, that's the Hardy-Weinberg theory.
Oh, they teach it now? How wonderful. What do they say?
Yeah, about that. I wasn't exactly paying attention.
No matter. It's important stuff to learn. Here.
Okay, this is starting to make sense now. How'd you guys come up with this?
Actually, we came up with it independently. I am from England, and this good fellow is from Germany. We could even speak the same language.
But how?
We're dead, you Dinglewater. This isn't real.
And Darwin?
Really now? Did you believe that you were actually traveling through time? I mean, I know the voice can be a bit dramatic, but geez. See? You were only traveling through space. It's quite simple, you see. Actually, through the science...
Time to go now.
What? How'd I get back?
Feel good to be home?
So it wasn't a dream.
No, it wasn't a dream. It actually happened.
Oh, man. Oh, I still don't even know who you are.
It doesn't matter who I am. Does everything make sense now?
It's starting to. I think it's starting to make sense. Artificial selection and the theory of evolution. That makes sense now. Individuals in a population differ from one another. Okay. You know what? I'm gonna ace that test.
Good for you, Dylan.
Dylan!
What?
Are you still there talking to yourself?
Looks like Mom caught you. Time to go. Bye, Dylan.
No, I wasn't talking to myself. I was on the phone.
Get off the phone!